welcome to How Do I Fun Cruising. Today we are going to show you the fantastic balcony room on a cruise ship that is Zaandam from Holland America, built in 2000 by Fincantieri in Italy, exactly where I am from.
Italy, yeah. Welcome to How to Have Fun Cruising with Alice and Tommy T. And boy, oh boy, do we have a great video for you today. That's right, from your cruise ship channel. This one is all about the Holland America Zaandam Balcony Room full tour and walkthrough. That's right, if you're thinking about jumping on the Zaandam, booking a trip for the Zaandam, we're going to show you what this balcony room looks like, and you're going to love this cruise ship. It is super great. We had a great time, really enjoyed it. If you're not familiar with our channel, please subscribe to How to Have Fun Cruising. It would mean so much to us to help us grow this channel and get it out to so many people. Definitely check out our Instagram, Facebook, and website, howtohavefuncruising.com. But take a look at this ship. It is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful dining room, and boy, oh boy, did we have a great time. Really great spa, no question about it. Perfect service. The ship was beautiful, and overall, we enjoyed it. If you're not familiar with our channel, How to Have Fun Cruising, you definitely want to check it out, like this Bermuda Triangle, 27-foot waves, the Norwegian Pearl walkthrough. We've got all kinds of shore excursion videos from everything from GIBBS Hill Lighthouse in Bermuda to the amazing Crystal Cave tours, to you name it. Even the Zaandam top of the ship tour we're going to give you, CARNIVAL, Mardi Gras, and so much more. So let's go ahead and get started with Alice. She's going to walk us through this standard balcony room for the Holland American Zaandam cruise ship. So let's get started now. All right, Alice, here we are. What room number?
6160.
That's right. We're in what's called a Vista suite, but this is an older ship, so there's not many balconies. But it truly is mainly just a balcony suite, or balcony cabin actually, that you would see on a typical cruise ship. But back in the old days, they didn't have a lot of balconies. So let's go take a look at it and show them the room, Alice.
Yeah, come on in. Welcome in our Vista suite.
All right.
As soon as you come in, you can see the door for the bathroom. The bathroom is actually very spacious, very bright. And one of the amazing things that you can find here is we have
no shower. You got a tub with a little jacuzzi. Look at that. Very cool.
That is very nice, right? Look at here.
Lots of room. Okay, jump in there. Do your little shower. How much room do we got, Alice?
Plenty. I can move around.
All right. Very good.
Yep, the bathroom has a lot of space, as you can see here, and
no problem there.
Great lights at the mirror, but for girls, we love these things.
Okay.
And a lot of space for storage of our makeup.
Yep, very good. All right.
So, bathroom side, we have here all our different closets. You can give it a look.
Yep, pretty standard, what you would typically see in a cruise ship. Yeah. So all the different storage here.
Yeah, you have ease and hers and a lot of different options. Over here we have a nice curtain to divide the bedroom
look at that. So
from the entrance.
Look at that. Yeah. Very nice.
The bedroom is really nice, spacious. I love that behind the bed there are all the mirrors. The mattress, I didn't test it yet. Seems pretty good to me.
Yeah, good mattress. All right.
Yeah. And instead of the television right in front of the bed, this time we have a nice painting, and the television instead is located over here. Here's
all of your paperwork as you get ready boarding here on this ship.
Right there.
TV,
nice sofa, and a great view. I love that you have literally all windows.
Yeah, very nice.
Separated outside. So you have a lot of light coming in. What I love about this desk is very spacious, a lot of different drawers, and that is a big plus, as you can see. But the other great thing is, look, they gave us different glasses for every occasion. Nice towel if we want to sit outside.
Those are blankets for sitting outside.
Exactly.
Yeah, because we're up in Canada, and with all the wildlife, look what else they throw in for this Montreal to Boston cruise.
Yeah, you need to see the wildlife, and we have a nice.
Go ahead, try them out. Take a look at, show everybody back home with your cat. Look at there.
Whoa! I see a Tommy T.
All right, let's do it. All right, let's keep rolling.
Yeah, and right there we have this nice area with the refrigerator on the
What
side.
a refrigerator. Look at that. All
Yeah.
kinds of stuff in there, even a boiled egg. How about that?
Yeah, very nice.
Pretty cool. Nice
And-
desk area, like you said, so you can set up shop there with the TV. And for an older ship, look at here.
Great balcony.
Balcony, not too many on this ship, and it is a smaller cruise ship that they ideally like to use in Alaska and up here in Canada,
Yeah.
especially when you're going through that St. Lawrence Seaway.
Yeah, and you have two nice seats, one with a nice 30 feet, and the
Wow.
other one with a nice little table for your drink.
Yeah, very nice. And look at the view, folks. Take a look. We're in Montreal, getting ready to depart on a beautiful, gorgeous day here. And this is going to be exciting. Montreal all the way up, all the way down, I should say, to Boston, through Nova Scotia and the rest of it. It's going to be a great time. So that's for the room. Let's go check out the rest of the ship.
Come on, let's go.
Thanks, Alice. Great job with that tour. And we really enjoyed the Zaandam and that standard balcony room. In fact, we were able to see the Northern Lights as we did the Montreal to Boston when we were up in that St. Lawrence Seaway. We actually got to see them, and it was terrific. So the food was great, no question about it, on Holland America. The entertainment was great. We really enjoyed that. And obviously the spa was fantastic. So thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun Cruising.